Hey there, folks. Welcome to Cricket Scrapbook. My name is Vaibhav Minocha, and you are watching Scrapbook of Memes. Please click on the like button. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos weekly. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to keep up to date with the latest uploads. So, let's just take a look at some of the memes that are floating around the internet while the fourth test of the Border Gavaskar series of 2020-2021 was going on. So the first one is this. When Ashwin is injured, but Sundar gets out Smith instead. Well, bhai, Ashwin got injured and Sundar is on his debut. He hasn't played first class cricket for 3 years. And then he comes out and takes Smith's wicket. What else do you expect? And then catch dropped, Saini injured. Here we go again. I mean, Captain America's this expression shows just why he is a legend. कुछ भी हो जाए वो उठता रहेगा. Same with the Indian team. Catch dropped, Saini injured. Saini might be what, the 7th bowler injured in this series? I mean, after Shami, Bumrah, Umesh, Ishant, Ashwin, Jadeja, Saini is the 7th bowler injured in this series. I mean, kudos to the Indian team after getting up after that. Then this is by Meme Katta. Every Indian bowler after bowling few overs on Australian tour. मेरी एक टांग नकली है. हाँ भाई, क्यों नहीं, इतनी इंजरीज के बाद तो यही बोलेंगे. रोहित शर्मा leading the test bowling attack India versus Australia. I mean, इससे कुछ भी करा लो. He goes midway through the tour, starts batting, scores a half century, and then leads the bowling attack for India. I mean, before this test match started, he had 2 wickets for India. And then Saini injured hota hai and he goes and bowls the last ball of Saini's over. I mean, amazing. Rishabh Pant took the catch of Labuschagne. ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में. I mean, ठीक है, we make memes about Rishabh Pant's keeping, but वो बैट से जिता दिया ना. Like, come on. Indian cricket fans to Rohit Sharma. हर बार गर्म करके ठंडा ही छोड़ देते हैं हमको. Well, you can criticize Rohit Sharma for the shot that he played, but वो रन भी वैसे ही बनाता है. He thought वो लायन को 6 मार देगा, नहीं मार पाया. अब होता है, क्या करे, कभी कभी लायन का भी दिन आता है. रोहित शर्मा आफ्टर 15 to 20 overs in a test match. ठीक है भाई, अब मैं चलता हूँ. इसमें यह भी हो सकता था, अच्छा चलता हूँ, दुआओं में याद रखना. ठीक है, again, I mean, ठीक है, you can troll Rohit Sharma, but I mean, come on. Arijit Sen posed this. Indian cricket fans for Brisbane Test. बरसों ये मेगा. I mean, yes, हम लोग सब एक पॉइंट पे बोल रहे थे कि rain is the only thing that could save the Indian team. But you know what happened, right? In the end, India won. What Rohit Sharma couldn't do, Shardul Thakur did. Bring up half century with a 6. Well, this is one of the memes posted by the team at Cricket Scrapbook. I mean, I agree with it, but ठीक है, Shardul Thakur had a huge contribution in sort of bringing India to a winning position. But you can't compare him with Rohit Sharma. I mean, Rohit Sharma has proven his talent over the years. Shardul has just come to the team. Last 4 wickets for India, adding 150 runs combined in overseas condition. ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में. I mean, this I have to agree with. इंडिया की टेल इंडिया में परफॉर्म करती है, लेकिन इंडिया के बाहर रेयरली कभी परफॉर्म करती है. So kudos to Sundar and Thakur for scoring that 123 run partnership. That was just amazing. This is posted by Sportsy. Australians, why these India A and India under 19 players are so good? And Rahul Dravid, you wouldn't get it. I mean, this is what happens, right? If you put a strong system in place. Rahul Dravid, he spent so much time with the under 19 team and then with the India A team and now with the NCA, National Cricket Academy. The results are showing. And you just have to put your hats off for Rahul Dravid. Janardhan Jakar, rockstar wale. Can't be the only one who thought of Dhoni's 6 while watching Sundar. I mean, Dhoni is the OG, right? Sundar bhi kuch bhi kare. बट हम लोग सबके लिए धोनी की ही चीज दिमाग में रहेगी. रोहित डूइंग शैडो बैटिंग. अबे तुम मेरी नकल करता है क्या? ठीक है, this was the right response to what Smith did, and you can see Smith is actually looking directly at Rohit while Rohit is doing it. I was very happy. Like, I was one of the biggest naysayers for Smith for doing that, and now that Rohit is doing it right in front of Smith's face, showing him, मतलब मेरे को तो बढ़िया लगा यार. Bhokal tweet. I have come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass, and I'm all out of bubblegum. This was Shardul Thakur. I mean, he killed it, man. 7 wickets in the test and close to 70 runs. 67 in the first innings and I think 2 in the second innings. He just killed it. I mean, you could argue that Shardul Thakur should have been given man of the match. I'm not saying that Rishabh Pant didn't deserve it, but Shardul Thakur also equally deserved it. Bhokal tweet again. Shardul's mood for the whole 4th test match innings. यहीं पर मार के लेटा देंगे बीप, इसके आगे नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Then Manish Devnath, he tweets, Siraj hugging Bumrah after taking 5-wicket haul at Gaba. I mean, yeah, man, this was the most heart-touching moments of the match. Siraj takes his 5-wicket haul, and then you must see that Shardul had also taken 4 wickets. He was the one who caught the ball when Siraj took his 5th. I mean, they were all so happy. This is the unity of the team, man. This is what you should look up at. Don't crib at Kohli and Rohit fighting. Look at this. I mean, this is brilliant. Oh my God. I mean, Cheteshwar Pujara was hit 10 times, I think, in this match. He was hit 10 times on the body. And still he just hung in there. Playing 211 balls, I mean, come on. I mean, there was a stat, I think, where he batted close to 1,000 balls in this test match, in this test series. I mean, that's just crazy. Just crazy. History of Border Gavaskar Trophy. I mean, literally, आप लगान की टीम को यहाँ पे खड़ा कर सकते हो, वैसी ही फीलिंग है. I mean, गोरों को हराना, और यहाँ पे तो बल्कि you went to the Aussies nation and beat the Aussie team with a depleted squad yourself. I mean, Aussie का तो पूरा squad was it was the strongest squad, and India was with their probably weakest squad ever. Then Chirag Dave, he tweets, in this series, Cheteshwar Pujara. Yeah, I mean, you can't call him the wall anymore. He's the rock. मतलब wall तो चलो ठीक है. He's getting the name of wall from Dravid, but he's the rock. इसको क्रीज से हटाना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन है. England now. मेरे को तो ऐसा धक Yeah, man. चलो, England is playing well. अभी श्रीलंका को हराया बुरी तरीके से. But they must also be scared right now. I mean, England, to qualify for the World Test Championship ka final, they need to win, I think, all their games from here. And India is looking strong. This is my favorite tweet for this match. ICC tweeting, Spider Pant does whatever Spider can. I mean, don't we all remember Pant singing Spider-Man, तूने चुराया मेरा दिल का चैन? This was a classic moment of the test match, and I'm so happy ICC is also like celebrating it to a degree. I mean, this is just awesome. This whole match was historic, and some of the memes are gold, like literally gold. Alright guys, if you want your memes to be showcased on further videos of Scrapbook of Memes, please upload your meme on Instagram and tag us at @cricket scrapbook, and also put the hashtag Scrapbook of Memes.